Welcome everybody, my name is Adam, also known as the Swedish car guy. Normally I do car reviews, car meets and car products, but today we're gonna do the wheel reveal. And my rims came yesterday, and we also surpassed 250 subscribers, and do you know what that means? We're gonna have the competition, so please stay until the end when we're gonna hold the competition. So right now we're gonna go to one of my friends, and I see you later. Will they fit? And here are the tires, as you've seen in one of the other videos. I'm still not sponsored, so Toyo, if you hear this, please sponsor me. I have chosen the Toyo Proxy Sport. And the size is 235 40/18, and these tires will also be linked in the description if you want to buy the tires as well. So what do you think about these tires? Comment below what you think. And here are the tires and the rims, and the rims are Royal Kimbo in 18/8. And these tires will also be linked in the description where you can buy it. And I have a question to all of you that are watching. What are your dream setup for the rims and the tires? I want you to comment below as well. And the tires is 235 40/18, and the normal regular size for a Skoda Octavia RS from 2007 is 225 40/18, and recommended size if you would go on a 19-inch rim is 235 35/19, and you can go as wide as 8 wide in the rim as well. And if you go at 17, if you go below 18, you can go at 225 40/17, and the offset you could use in normal cases, depending if it's 18, 17 or 19, is from 42 up to around 48. That is recommended. So that's from me to you, and I hope you enjoy this. And now we're gonna soon assemble all of the tires, so take care. And here we have the setup right now. Also, as I said in the beginning of the video, we will do the competition, and we just surpassed 250 subscribers, so that's really good. Yeah, and what you can win in this competition is one of 2 shirts. This is one of them. And I recently lost my job due to this pandemic, but I still want to give it back to the community. So this is one of the t-shirts, and this is the other one. As you can see, if you have read my description, I love the S chassis as well. So, how do you enter this competition? It's pretty easy. When you win the competition, you can choose from either this drift weapon or this genuine wheel addiction. And the thing you have to do is you have to like this video, you have to subscribe to my channel, and you also need to tag me in the Instagram video from this video, and also comment on the video, this video, why you should win. So it's pretty easy, and I hope to see a lot of you entering this competition. And I do this for all of you that are watching and supporting my channel, so you get a chance. And if we have enough interest, I may start my store a little bit early. And if you're interested in buying this merch, I want you to comment interested in the comment section. And I also want to give a big shout out to Skoda owners Team Blue and Skoda gang, and I wish all of you a great Sunday. Take care, bye.
All these brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die.